Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of Say Goodbye to Hood Headaches, the complete guide to replacing hood lift support shocks. In this video, we'll continue from where we left off and walk you through the remaining steps to complete your hood lift support shock replacement. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out first. Let's dive back in and finish this DIY project. Installing the new shocks correctly. With the old shocks removed, it's time to install the new ones. Start by attaching the new shocks to the mounting points on the hood and body. Ensure they are securely in place before fixing the retaining clips back on. Double-check the alignment and positioning to guarantee smooth operation once the hood is closed. Testing the functionality of the new shocks. After installing the new hood lift support shocks, it's crucial to test their functionality. Carefully close and open the hood several times to ensure that the shocks provide adequate support and allow for easy movement. Listen for any unusual noises or resistance that could indicate improper installation. By following these steps and conducting a thorough test, you can successfully replace your hood lift support shocks and restore the smooth operation of your hood. Remember to prioritize safety throughout the process and consult your vehicle's manual for any model-specific instructions. Safety precautions and tips. Before replacing the hood lift support shocks on your vehicle, it is essential to follow some safety precautions and tips to ensure a smooth and secure process. Ensuring the hood is securely supported before work. 1. Park on a flat surface. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level and stable surface before attempting to work on the hood lift support shocks. This prevents any unexpected shifts that could lead to accidents. 2. Engage the hood prop rod. If equipped with one, secure the hood in place using the prop rod. This will prevent the hood from unexpectedly closing while you are working underneath, reducing the risk of injury. 3. Inspect the support mechanism. Before starting any work, check the condition of the hood support mechanism. Ensure it is functioning correctly and can bear the weight of the hood without issues. 4. Use safety equipment. Wear appropriate safety gear such as gloves and eye protection to protect yourself from any potential hazards while working on the hood lift support shocks. Avoiding pinching or crushing hazards. 1. Mind your fingers. When handling the hood lift support shocks, be cautious of your fingers. Avoid placing them in areas where they could get pinched or crushed between moving parts. 2. Work slowly and carefully. Take your time when removing and installing the hood lift support shocks. Rushing the process can lead to accidents or damaging the components. 3. Double-check connections. Ensure all connections are secure and properly tightened to prevent any unexpected movements or malfunctions once the work is completed. 4. Seek assistance if unsure. If you are unsure about any step of the process or the safety of your work environment, do not hesitate to seek assistance from a professional or someone experienced in automotive repairs. Safety should always come first. By following these safety precautions and tips, you can ensure a safe and successful replacement of the hood lift support shocks on your vehicle. Remember, it's better to take your time and work carefully than to rush and risk injury. Maintaining and extending the lifespan of new shocks. When you invest in new hood lift support shocks, it's essential to maintain them properly to ensure longevity and optimal performance. By taking a few simple steps to care for your shocks, you can extend their lifespan and keep them functioning smoothly for years to come. Regular inspection and lubrication. Regularly inspecting your hood lift support shocks is crucial for detecting any signs of wear or damage early on. Check for leaks, dents, or rust on the shocks. A visual inspection can help you identify potential issues before they escalate, allowing you to address them promptly. Lubricating the moving parts of the shocks is another key maintenance task. Applying lubricant to the joints and mountings helps reduce friction and wear, prolonging the life of the shocks. Be sure to use a lubricant recommended by the manufacturer to ensure compatibility and effectiveness. Protecting shocks from extreme temperatures and moisture. Extreme temperatures and moisture can accelerate wear and deterioration of hood lift support shocks. Exposure to high heat or cold can affect the performance of the shocks and shorten their lifespan. Similarly, moisture can lead to rust and corrosion, compromising the structural integrity of the shocks. To protect your shocks from extreme temperatures, park your vehicle in a shaded area whenever possible, especially during hot summer months. In colder climates, consider installing insulating covers or sleeves to shield the shocks from freezing temperatures. Moisture can be kept at bay by parking in a dry garage or using protective sealants on the shocks. Regularly cleaning and drying the shocks can also help prevent moisture buildup and corrosion. By taking these preventive measures, you can safeguard your hood lift support shocks from environmental factors and extend their durability. Remember, proper maintenance and care are essential for maximizing the lifespan of your new shocks and ensuring optimal performance. By incorporating these maintenance practices into your routine, you can enjoy smooth and reliable operation from your hood lift support shocks for years to come. After understanding the crucial role that hood lift support shocks play in the smooth operation of your vehicle's hood, it becomes evident that prompt replacement is necessary to ensure safety and convenience. The ease of replacing hood lift support shocks offers a simple solution to improve the overall functionality of your vehicle. By addressing any issues promptly and maintaining your hood lift support shocks in top condition, you are actively contributing to the longevity and efficiency of your vehicle. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle not only operates effectively but also keeps you safe on the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.